Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. I hope you are all having a nice day. Today I'm going to share with you a simple manicure for beginners, and for that I'm going to use this starter kit from Maniology. These kits are great for beginners because they contain everything you need to stamp. This one comes with this stamping plate that has different designs to create gradients. Also comes with instructions for you to stamp if you are new to this technique. And in the box you can find a scraper, a stamper, and two stamping polishes. These are two mini bottles, one is a blue stamping polish and the other one is a top coat. I will add all the links for these products in the description if you are interested. If you buy anything from the Maniology website, you can use my code DEYANIRA10 to get a 10% off your entire purchase. And now that I show you all that is in the box, let's start with the manicure. I will be using this black polish from Maniology as my base, and I will be applying one coat. After my base is completely dry, I will be stamping my design. But first, since this stamping plate is new, the first thing is to remove the blue film that comes on top of the plate to protect it. And then with a white stamping polish, I'm going to stamp my design. I chose these star patterns and I will be using the stamper and scraper that comes in the box. This stamper works great right out of the box. One tip that I can give you is to be quick. Never wait for the polish to dry on the stamper, transfer immediately to the nail. And to finish, I'm covering everything with the Smudge free top coat from Maniology, which is my favorite topper for stamping. This is all for today. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye!